Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to save your Google site without publishing it. This is really helpful if you're still editing or you just want to keep everything private until it's ready. So let's get into it. So first, you'll want to open up the Google site you're working on. Yeah, just click into the draft like normal. Now here's the thing a lot of people don't realize. Google Sites automatically saves everything you edit, like every few seconds. I mean, you'll see a little message at the top that says, all changes saved in Drive. And the good news is, even though it saves automatically, nothing is public until you publish it. So yeah, you can add pages, change text, rearrange stuff. All of it stays in draft mode. If you want to save a backup or keep another version, you can make a copy. Just go to the three dots in the top right and choose Make a Copy. This saves the whole site privately in your Google Drive. Google also stores your site as a file in Drive automatically. So if you ever want to check that the draft really saved, just open your Drive and look for the site file. It'll be there even if you never published anything. And yeah, in case you're wondering, if you close the tab or your browser crashes, your changes are still saved. As long as you saw that all changes save text, you're good. And that's pretty much everything. Your Google site saves automatically, stays private, and won't publish unless you hit the publish button yourself. So yeah, hope this helped. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick guides like this. And I'll see you in the next one.